Hi, this is Ro Richard. I'm a Senior Signal Integrity FAE at I-PEX. At I-PEX, we specialize in small, low-profile, high-density, shielded cables and connectors. Let's take a look at some of our products. We'll start with the CABLINE Series. These CABLINE Series have high-speed microcoaxial cables. Now, what that means is each center conductor has a dedicated outer conductor to shield the signal from external interference and EMI. These wires are also highly flexible, and they maintain good signal integrity even when they're flexed. And because they're so thin and fine, they're used in a lot of medical equipment like portable ultrasound devices, catheters, medical imaging devices, high-speed displays, and cameras. Over here is one of our demos where we show the CABLINE CA2 connector. It is a fully shielded connector using I-PEX's ZenShield technology used with an Econ Systems camera module. This connector is able to transmit high-speed MD+DI signals over 4 cameras. Down here, we have the MHF series. They are RF connectors, so they are single coax connectors, and they're used for a lot of Wi-Fi applications, Bluetooth, and 5G. The MHF5 is a very low-profile connector, only 1 millimeter tall, and the 5L is a similar connector, but that goes up to 15 gigahertz in frequency. We also have applied our ZenShield technology to this type of series with the MHF7S connector, where it is fully shielded and is used for high-density EMI applications. We have the MHF1 and the MHF4L as well, which have integrated locks into their plugs that are used for rugged applications or where there's high vibration. The NOVASTACK series are fully shielded board-to-board connectors. They have various stack heights ranging from 0.7 millimeters up to 1.5 millimeters, and some of them have dedicated power pins as well that allow for hybrid applications with signal and power. And this connector, the HDP, is also a ZenShield connector where all of the contacts are fully shielded using I-PEX's ZenShield technology. The EVAFlex and MiniFlex series are used with FPCs and FFCs. They're used for both shielded and unshielded FFCs and FPCs, and they are used for applications like portable medical devices like ultrasounds and defibrillators. For more information, visit us on the web at ipex.com. Thanks for watching.